What's going on, boys and girls? It's a beautiful day outside, and we're going to be doing fish today. It is Saturday. Saturday means it's fish day. We're going to keep this nice and simple. We're going to do some red snapper with some broccolini, and we're going to fry it. Speaking of fishing, today would be a good day to go out and catch some fish. All right, y'all. This is a really simple recipe. Of course, we got some red snapper here, 2 pieces, got it dried off and everything. We've got some broccoletti, and this is meant to do microwave. We're keeping it easy. We've got our mixture of salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. We got some mustard, got some lemon. That's all going to go in the broccoletti. We're going to use a egg wash for the fish. We're going to be using some of this gluten-free seasonings. These are kind of like Parmesan crumbles. I usually add a little bit to it because it normally doesn't have enough in it for me. I'm going to add a little bit of blackened seafood seasoning, and we're going to use a little bit of cornstarch to make it stick a little better. God, I can't talk today. Let's put this thing together. All right, it's very simple. We're just going to take some of our gluten-free breadcrumbs. I'm going to add those to the dish here. You don't need a whole lot of it. I'm going to take some of our cornstarch here. Oops, just make a mess, Tracy. Make a mess. It's about 2 teaspoons. Alrighty, then I cleaned it up. Just didn't want it to look bad on the camera. I usually add a little bit more seasoning to this right here, guys. Give that a little mix. Try to keep everything in the center here. Now you can use regular cornmeal too, guys. We're just keeping it on the light side. But cornmeal actually works better, in my opinion. All right, and it's very easy. You're just going to take your piece of fish in here, put it in your egg wash. Coat both sides, then go directly over into you don't need much eggs either. This is actually egg stirrers. Let it drip a little bit, go over to your dry batter, flip it around, move it around a little bit. Depends on how thick you want that coating to be. I want mine to be a little bit thick on the thick side. All right, and then you just do the next piece like that. We'll move that over to the side here. Do the next piece, and we'll come back. All righty, and we've got some oil heated up here. And what we're going to do here, guys, you want to put the muscle of the fish side down when you put it in here. So the skin is on the outside. It's not going to take long. So muscle side down, fish side out. There you go. And give that about 3 minutes. All righty, after about 3 minutes, we're going to flip this. And this thing comes in handy for doing this, guys. Oh, look at that. Does that not look pretty? Oh, and you see how it didn't fold up? That's why you put the muscle side down first, guys. And go about another 3 minutes on that. You take your little microwave bag of broccoli, just puncture it a couple of times and microwave it for about 4 minutes. Now you can do that on the oven, but it's Saturday. You don't want to spend all your time cooking. All righty, after about 3, and actually it was about 3.5 minutes, guys. We're going to take this out. Comes out real nice, and this fish stays together real well too, guys. Let the grease drain here. Then we'll get our broccoli ready. All right, with our broccoli, something I left out a little while ago. With our broccoli, we're going to use a little bit of olive oil as well, too. And we're just going to make a kind of like a little marinade. Not really a marinade, but a sauce. Use about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. About a tablespoon, maybe 2 of the lemon juice. A small amount of the mustard. This is almost about at the end. Just Splatter it, splatter it, splatter it. All right, then get you your mixture of your seasoning here. Don't overdo it here. I got these mixed pretty well though. Then we're going to give that a little stir. Alrighty, we're going to open up our little broccoletti. And again, you can do it on the oven if you want to do it the traditional way. I just wanted to do it kind of fast. It comes out good like that, guys. Going to put the marinade on top of it. Just make sure you cover it all. Real good. It's real simple. Really, really simple. The lemon really brings out the flavor, and the mustard brings out the flavor as well, too. Get it a little stir around here. Then we're going to plate this thing up. I'm going to plate this up. I'm going to take us a piece of fish here. I mean, it's a tough piece of fish, y'all. Get us some broccoletti here. Some on this plate. Make it look presentable, you know. That plate, and there you go, guys. Really simple recipe. If I wasn't filming, it would have taken literally all of 6 minutes to do this. Maybe 10, but there you go. That's going to be a good meal on a Saturday afternoon. You guys have a good rest of your day. Peace.